a video of our servo feed machine 6918, currently wired 230 volts. Installed the new drive, touch screen. It's got a new servo motor. Right now we have it set in automatic to advance 5 inches. We're using the limit switch to act as your press. There's 5 inches. Now we'll go over to auto. We're in auto, we'll change it to 10 inches. Enter. And then we'll change our speed to 100%. And now it'll feed 10 inches, just like that. Now you select manual mode, and you can either run it from the screen, jog it backwards from the screen, we'll jog it forward from the screen, or you can use the handheld unit to run it either forwards or backwards. It does take air supply for the rollers to be pinched down on the material. You have your open and close pilot valve here. That opens it, that closes it. And that's a video of our ServoMax machine 6918.